Alright, let's dive into paragraph organization. Now, when we talk about organizing paragraphs, we're essentially talking about how we arrange our ideas in writing. Organizing a paragraph effectively is what makes the content clear and easy to follow for your reader. There are several different patterns of organization, and each one serves a specific purpose, depending on what you're trying to achieve.
Cause and effect is a little different. Here you're explaining why something happens, the cause, and what results from it, the effect. Let's take the example of pollution in Boston. You would explain that the cause, industrial waste and traffic congestion, leads to the effect, Boston's status as one of the dirtiest cities in the U.S. That cause and effect structure is really useful for explaining relationships between events or phenomena, showing how one thing leads to another. This paragraph illustrates the cause and effect pattern by explaining the reasons behind Boston's reputation as the dirtiest city in the U.S. and the resulting effects. Topic sentence. The paragraph begins by introducing the main idea. Boston is known for its historic beauty, but has earned a reputation as the dirtiest city in the U.S. This sets up the focus on the causes of this reputation and its effects. Causes. The paragraph identifies two primary causes of Boston's pollution. Industrial waste, factories and industries, near the waterfront dump pollutants into the air and water, leading to environmental damage. Traffic congestion. The overwhelming traffic that clogs Boston's streets contributes significantly to air pollution. Effects. These causes lead to several negative outcomes. The pollutants from factories and traffic contribute to Boston's environmental problems. The air pollution caused by traffic affects the city's cleanliness and public health. Conclusion. The paragraph wraps up by reiterating the effect. Despite Boston's historic beauty, the pollution from industrial waste and traffic makes it hard for the city to maintain its cleanliness. This cause and effect paragraph clearly connects the reasons, industrial waste and traffic congestion, to the outcome, Boston's struggle with pollution, showing how specific factors directly impact